Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2012 Kawasaki Versys 650. This is a twin-cylinder, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, upright, naked sport bike. Upside-down front suspension, dual-disc brakes. This bike is in fantastic condition. There's 26,000 miles. Come by, make your adventure commuter dreams come true with this beautiful Versys for just $49.99. It's got a beautiful metallic black and metallic yellow paint scheme. We have financing available. We have extended service contracts. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.